actually doing really good. This is the second day on cereal. And as long as I give him some. Look. As soon as Daddy walked out the door, this is what we did. Started doing really good. We're not actually spitting it out anymore. We're eating it. And we're actually getting mad when Mommy doesn't give it to me. Of course, now he's gonna cry. Yummy, 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 yummy. Good stuff, right? Yeah, look at the camera. Say hi, Mimi. Hi, Mimi. I'm eating my meal. Okay. Here we go. Eat some more. Yummy, 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 yummy. Okay. Come. Okay. I think. Oh, good. Maximum. Okay.